In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Adobe Express video longer, whether you're extending a clip to match a voiceover or just need a few extra seconds for timing. This walkthrough will keep things simple and clear. First, open Adobe Express. You can use the web version in your browser or the app if you have it installed. Give it a moment to load. Once you're in, you'll land on the home dashboard where you create new projects. Next, click Start New Design. This takes you into a fresh canvas where you can set up your project. If you see template suggestions, that's fine. You don't need to choose a template for this. A blank project works perfectly for adjusting video length. On the left side, click Video. This opens the video tools and lets you bring a clip into your project. The left panel is your control center in Adobe Express, so if you don't see video immediately, make sure you're in the editor view and not just the home screen. Once video is open, you're ready to add media to the timeline. Now select a sample video. Adobe Express provides sample clips you can use for practice, and they're great for testing timing. When you click a sample, it will appear on your canvas and on the timeline along the bottom of the screen. The timeline is where all the duration adjustments happen, and you'll see your clip represented as a bar with handles on either end. At the bottom, drag the end of the video to the right to make your adjustment. Hover over the right edge of the clip until your cursor changes, then click and drag to extend. Watch the time indicator as you move. This helps you set an exact length. If you need finer control, use the timeline zoom slider to get a closer view. Keep in mind that for true video footage, you can only extend to the actual end of the source clip. For graphics or certain clips that allow it, extending the edge increases how long they stay on screen. If you overshoot, just drag the edge back to the left to shorten it. Press play to preview your timing and move the playhead to check specific moments before and after your change. Small incremental drags often give the most precise results. And that's it. You opened Adobe Express, started a new design, went to the video panel, selected a sample clip, and extended the duration by dragging the edge on the timeline. Practice a couple of times to get a feel for the handles and timing readout, and you'll be adjusting length confidently in no